All right, so welcome to the Spanish section of this podcast episode for this Sunday in the year. Herramientas is tools. Bricolaje is do it yourself or DIY. Mazo is mallet. Martillo is hammer. Destornillador is screwdriver. Palanca is lever. Clavo is nail. Alicates is pliers. Llave inglesa is wrench. Papel de lija is sandpaper. Ahija, lija. Yes, lija. Taladro is drill. Formon is chisel. Formon. Ferreteria is hardware store. Abrazadera is clam. Hello, clam. Regla is ruler. Alambre
Regla.
is wire. Animales is animals. Cornelius is fangs.
My
Hocico
turn.
is snout. No, it will not be your turn. You are a vapid empty vessel meant to represent our physical aspect. Nancy, once again, but still I vote for you to remain there because I trust in your budgeting skill.
Okay.
Pata is paw, Rugido is roar, Gara is claw, Bigotes is whiskers, Piel is fur, Pezuñas is hooves, Plumas is feathers, Branquias is gills, Nutria is otter, Pico is beak, Alas is wings, Escamas is scales, Cuernos is horns, Partes del cuerpo is body parts. Pestañas is eyelashes. Quejas is eyebrows. Fosas nasales is nostrils. Entrañas is guts. Vena is vein. Uña is fingernail. Cuticula is cuticle. Poros is pores. Pantorrilla is Muslo is thigh, hueso is bone, pulgar is thumb, mejilla is cheek, rotula is kneecap, talon is heel. Al aire libre is outdoors, fogata is campfire, charca is bottle, brújula is compass, leño is log. Remo is four. Soga is rope. Cantimplora is a water bottle. Tienda de campaña is tent. Camada is beach. Botiquín is a first aid kit.
The king.
Caminata is hiking. Casa is hunting. Acampar is camping. Asar is grill. Capas del Sol is sunglasses. Oficina es office. Tarjeta de negocios is business card. Teclado a teclado is keyboard. Carpetas is folders. Archivador is pegamento is glue. Estuche is pencil. Lampadora is stapler. Estanteria is bookshelf. Bandita Elastica is rubber band. And Pila is battery. Thank you for the